Hello everyone, welcome to the Financial Information channel. In this video, I'm going to break down the IQiyi earnings. The company reported the earnings on July 31st, and this is only the second time that the company has reported earnings since it became public. Now I am going to go into details about the stock earnings, but remember I do videos about the stock market, personal finance, and how to make money online. So if you like this video, you can give a like to the video and subscribe to the channel. But now let's start with the numbers. And as you can see, during the second quarter, the company reported a revenue increase of 51% from year to year, and the operating loss margin is about 24% in the same period in 2017. And IQiyi had an EPS loss of around 45 cents. Most analysts were expecting an EPS loss of around 33%. The most impressive number is around 67 million subscribing members. Now in the last video where I did a complete IQiyi stock review, you can check it here, I mentioned that the company had around 50 million subscribers. However, at this moment it's around 67 million. So they added around 16 million subscribers during 3 months. And that is very impressive when you take into account this company has a 50-50 split. And that means that IQiyi will receive money from paying subscribers, and the company will be able to receive money even on those members that don't pay a monthly fee. Now when you take a look at the membership service revenue, it actually increased over 66% over last year, and that revenue comes mostly from paying subscribers. And in addition, you can see that the online advertising service revenue increased over 45% from the last year, and that comes mostly from the advertisers when a member doesn't pay a monthly fee. And another way that the company is receiving money is the content distribution. It went up over 18% from last year. And IQiyi announced around 62% of all the revenues from investments. Now one of the negatives that we saw in the earnings is that it ended up losing around 45 cents per share. And one of the things is that the company is still expanding in China. The cost of revenue went up over 47% from last year. And you have to keep in mind this company is going to have to pay a lot of licensing fees, in addition create their own content. Now IQiyi is a technology company. One of the key areas that you have to pay attention is the research and development. That is to make sure that the company is up to date and keeps a good website and a good app. And as you can see in the screen, IQiyi increased their spending in research and development over 50% from last year. And even though that might look bad, keep in mind that research and development is very important for a technology company. Now one interesting fact, during the first quarter had around 142 million in cash. However, during the second quarter that happened today, the company announced around 2 billion in cash or investments. Now in terms of its guidance for the next quarter, IQiyi announced that it expected to have an increase of the revenue around 43 to 49%, and it is going to be really good if the company finishes over 45% for the next quarter. But now I'm going to go over the technical analysis so we can get an idea how the company might move during the next few weeks. And as you can see, the share price at this moment was around $32, and in my opinion the most important thing is not if the company is gonna go to the $45 or $50 price, but the most important price to pay attention is around the $38 price. Most likely the company is going to move up over $38. The best thing that IQiyi can do is create a support around the $38 price, so that way we have a better chance of creating a support around the $42 to $43 price when the company reports earnings next quarter. Just like I mentioned in the last review, this company is very volatile. Just look at the volume, and that type of volume will probably continue during the next few months. And those are going to be the earnings. I was really surprised by the amount of subscribers that the company was able to add during these 3 months. Usually for growth stocks, the best quarters are usually the first quarter and the last quarter, but having a second and third quarter helps the company move up in price at a faster pace. And that is gonna be everything for this video. You can leave a comment to see how you're feeling about the IQiyi earnings. The earnings were really good, and even though the share price moved down really fast during the last few weeks, and that in part is because of the trade wars between the United States and China. But anyway, that is gonna be everything for this video. I'm gonna leave the links to my social media if you wanna contact me. And I'm going to thank you once again for watching the video. I am going to continue making more videos during the next few days. Have an excellent day and take care, my friends.